All right, Mr. Shukra, I have a question to you. So, in your life, your hero life, just hero like who pretend or how to struggle this country, right? Like Tengku Umar, and then Sudirman Jenderal Sudirman, and then Jenderal Ahmad Yani. Having the shoulder who has protect our country. This is your hero.
Yeah.
So, what about your mother, your parent about that? Everything is that not your hero or?
The notion is whether it is not only about, as I just mentioned earlier, heroes technically is not only the defenders, the protectors of country, the ones who are involved in your achievement. For example, persons or members of my family, my grandfathers, my mother and father, and also two of my brothers, who inspire you in doing something. Your teachers, your lecturers, they maybe do not or can't protect you in terms of physics, in terms of your safety, but they help you increase your command, broaden your knowledge, broaden your understanding. They are supposed to be called heroes. Yeah. Not only defenders, not only heroes and heroines, male and male teachers, parents, lecturers, tengkus, your religious teachers are regarded heroes. Yeah, it's broader than that, even much broader than that.
All right, thank you for your explanation very clearly and then very awesome. I love your accent because you use British accent, but sometimes I love it so much when I learn that accent, right? But I love so much about your accent. Thank you, Mr. Shukri. Thank you very much.